So this is an earlier date, but I'm about to the rear main on this thing so I can get it up on the engine stand. Jasmine's engine's done, so I had to get it off. But yeah, let's go. Man, this thing need a lot of work. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, just looking at the little old truck. Man, I don't know if y'all noticed something, but yeah, I'll show y'all later. Hey, man, just watch the videos, man. I got some stuff coming for y'all. Just like this, I got some stuff coming for y'all. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment, man. Let's go. What's up, guys? So this video right here is going to be solely for the Camaro, because me and Ryan, we got a lot of stuff to do today. We got to work on the Camaro engine. The Camaro engine, where this is at a halt right now, and we're going to also be trying to put that in to the Cadillac back there, and then we got to pull the Camaro from the back and put it here, put that in the back. So today we're gonna get multiple videos with the same outfit on, so don't be thrown the hell off. But Ryan's walking back over here. Let me get stuff ready so we can get started on this Camaro engine. So Justin still ain't came and knocked this wall down, so I just got random stuff just in random ass spaces, so I'm not cluttered. I'm just waiting on him to knock that dang wall down. But we about to get started on this Camaro engine, so give me a sec. All right, y'all, so me and engine out, we about to start knocking this thing down, knocking it out. And I'm not gonna do no play-by-play because y'all have seen this done plenty of times. Y'all could go back and look at the G8 videos of how to put a short block together. But yeah, like I said, we're about to get this thing together, and hell, even now we don't even came with a game plan of putting this engine back into the G8 now. So like I said, we're about to knock this out, and we're gonna go from there. Got the front of it done. We just need to put the crank pulley on. Well, really, I guess I can go ahead and put that damn thing on now. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all. I swear to God, you can't make this type of shit up. So Ryan, I'm over here, cylinder heads, trying to get most of this dirt and stuff off of them, get them as clean as possible. So Ryan, I'm like, scrub it up. He's like, hey, we got a problem. So I come walk over here. So lifter, and then he's like, yeah, we got a problem. So he come over here, pulls this bad boy out. See the problem? So Summit don't have it, BTR don't have a single. So now I'm just kind of in between a rock and a real hard place. So my boy Joe, he's gonna get on it and try to get that part figured out. So yeah, we'll let you know at that point. All right, so y'all remember last week when me and Ryan was at the shop on Thursday, we had that problem. We were missing one lifter. Got something even better for y'all. So Joe sent me another set. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I think we're missing 2 more. Morel, is this a normal thing for y'all? Because like I said, we're missing one out of this one. And then in this engine, this one's empty. We got these full, those full, and those full. So like I said, we're just missing one. Is that a normal thing for you guys to be missing one out of this kit and 2 out of this kit? And then also it says on both of them. What's up, guys? So today's the day that we're trying to put engines, as you can see, is basically outfitted the way that it needs to be when it's in the car. Even Jasmine's engine, I just wanted to take some pictures. You see how dusty they are. They won't be like that when they actually go in. Even their stuff is not going to be dusty either. Like, I got to take this back off and clean that thing up. But as you can see, I done cleaned up as much as I can, like the drive accessories, because remind you that both of these engines were puking oil. Ryan's in the truck. He's talking to his girl right now. So first up, the G8. So we about to get ready to put the engine in that. So this one is going to be going in there. Yeah, let's go. I won't be recording a bunch of it, but I'm going to get in what I can get in. because we on a time crunch. My birthday was Tuesday, today's Sunday, so that my family in the Super Bowl Sunday, so they taking me out to eat. So let's go. What's up, guys? I'm so sorry, y'all. I've been real crappy about recording. Customer needs the card kind of soon. Plus, I want to get it up to Muffler King so we can get all fixed. Yeah, that's stuff kind of rough. But yeah. So like I said, we got the engine in the other day. I'll post the pictures of that. Me and Ryan put it in. We got it all bolted up. We got converter bolts in. Flex, or the bell housing, all of that is bolted up. Let's look at this. Everything's basically done. I just got to put in the starter, the new oil level sensor down there, the starter, and then put the headers on. And I mean, that's everything that's left, because that's the G8 starter down there and the headers. So I just got to put this stuff on and then prime it, and about to get ready to get this thing to be able to start up for the first time. So let's go. All right, guys, I got it back all the way together. Got spark plugs in there. I got the laptop up and going. So right now I got it hooked up on the truck with jumpers. So I'm just gonna prime it, and yeah, let's see. Actually, give me a sec. Let me pull up these channels. All right, guys. So right there it says 2.9 psi. Let's see what we can get. Let's see again. Up. All right, let's try it. Y'all ready? Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, I don't think it was connected. Yeah, there we go. Let's try that again. Let's disconnect, reconnect. Let's repoll. All right, let's try this again. ahead and tune in the car real quick. That way it won't die on them tomorrow. So let me get to that real quick. Alrighty guys, so it's riding the new foul. So yeah, so in the morning they'll be able to drive it and it won't try to cut off and it won't be so goddamn rich, because if you stand around that thing for too long, yeah, man, freaking windy as hell. So like if you go look at that thing ain't stopped moving. And on the way here carrying this dang thing, man, me and the truck and the trailer and this car was all over the dang place. Man, I can't wait to hear it once they do the alignment and they do the exhaust on this thing. All right, car's here. So it is 12:28, and the fact that I gotta be at work tomorrow at 6:30. So the car's here, Ryan's home. Is trailering. I just gotta get this fixed from when I dropped Cheese car off in Austin, and then I did this the other day. This is what I did when I bent the axle, and my truck is freaking out. But yeah, so but the wheel is straight. The wheel was like turned this way. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So whenever he called me, I'll let y'all know.